Diri ka na nakapislit oh. Nagunit na nimo. Layo kay kabot imong mga kaway. Kana akong ilok may kuan na.
It.
Tuyo ka lang.
Lagi.
Bitang na itigunit para makuha tanan anggol. Permanente lang gyapon ako na lang gibutang dia siya.
Nabalik noon sa ono. Yan lang. Wala na 5 minutes.
One time.
50. One.
Ha?
Ang time lagi. Nabalik sa ono.
Unsan time karon?
56, 57, 58, 59. 1 minute.
After bath of healthy. Turn into 2 parts. Because of the misuse of the camera. With wet, well, not healthy well. The eldest one, George, is hiding. Maybe he's afraid that he'll be put into bath again. Yeah? We will not take a bath anymore. Maybe next month. Huh? Huh? His after bath was not taken because of the misuse again of the camera of the cell phone. We pressed something and it ended. Yeah? George? Will not bath on the sunshine? Huh? Yeah, George? Yeah, George? Yeah, George? Will hide there? Healthy. That's the funny thing about cats. We'll bath them, and after that they will bath again on themselves, licking their whole body. Isn't it funny? You want to let them clean, and they will clean again on themselves. Maybe because they want to have their own smell. That's why they're licking their pores and some parts of their bodies. Eti? Tati? You're you're drying under the sun? If you want. Tati? Hi? Hi? You'll go outside? Mama Kiss is disturbing you? Oh, upstairs? Jade, you're dry already? Jade is dry already. After bath, you're bathing once again. Bathing yourself. Jade. This lady over here, the calico one, we cannot bath her because she is so, we cannot understand her. You will be full of claws and scratches and bites. So we'll just having a sponge bath on her later. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for subscribing our channel. Thank you for hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified on our future vlogs. Thank you for making some encouraging comments. Thank you for liking this video and sharing it as well. Thank you, precious people all over the world. God bless.